As I was walking around the house that morning, I saw something lying under a mango tree. Curious, I approached and looked. It looked as if a small hive of honey had fallen on a small branch of another hibiscus tree. I was excited. I looked around a bit slowly, guessed if there were bees, and then went closer, looked closely. I was very happy to see that hive. Then I called Anushka and Anvai. Anvai, Anushka, come here soon. I almost screamed. Both of them came running towards me. I was staring wide eyed. Anvai said, "What happened, Abba? What are you looking at?" Abba, what is this? Anvai was asking. Anushka had the same question. Wait, I'll tell you, I said. Look, this is a hive of honey. What do you mean, Abba? Anushka said. Oh, there is that sweet honey in it. I mean, Abba, that honey that we eat with bread, asked Anushka and Anvai. Yes, that's right, the same honey, I said. But Abba, where did that honey come from? Anushka asked. Hey, you see these bees? I showed them 2 or 3 bees lying nearby and said, "These bees store this honey in this hive." But Abba, tell me, where does this honey come from? They were having a great time. Hey, did you see these bees flying here and there on the flowers? Yeah, the same bees sit on the flowers and collect honey from the flowers and then bring them into this hive. There are so many bees that collect a lot of honey. This information was completely new to Anvai and Anushka. They were both watching the honeycomb closely. Anvai said, "Abba, will there be honey inside it now?" I said, "Let us see, let's go." And we went a little further and picked up the beehive by hand. At first, Anvai was a little scared, but then they both came closer and began to look closely. We started observing that hive from all sides. Abba, what are these small hexagons? Hey, these are the doors for bees to get into this house. These bees go in and out through these gates. Wow, what a structure! Anvai was excited. We observed the hive from the other side. It was broken down, so its interior was very clear. Different canal-like roads were passing close to each other and converging in the middle of the hive. The children were so amused to see it. I mean, Abba, These flies bring honey from the flower and store it in their house. Isn't it that funny? Anushka said. I mean, this honey comes from the flowers. She was having so much fun. Anvai said, Abba, can we extract honey from this? Anushka was overjoyed. Yeah, Abba, let us take out the sweet honey and eat it, Anushka said. Then we picked up the hive stick and brought it home, went to the kitchen. Anvai called Aji and showed her the hive. Grandma, we are going to extract honey from this, Anushka announced. Then I asked for a clean rag from Anvai's grandmother. Anvai folded it. He took a bowl, put the folded rag on that bowl. Using a knife, they separated the hive from the stick and placed it on the rag. The honey had started to ooze out as soon as it was put. Seeing that, Anushka went everywhere. Then I picked up the cloth, squeezed it from all sides, drained the honey and took it in a bowl. Anvai and Anushka were watching very closely. Pressing again, I collected all the honey in that bowl. Not much, but 3 to 4 teaspoons of honey came out. Anvai took a little honey with his finger and tested it. Anushka also tasted honey. They both shouted, How sweet honey is, Abba, it's cool. They had received a lot of new information today, but the main thing was to get sweet honey. Both were very happy. Now they were very eager to tell all this story to their parents and their friends.